Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to demonstrate my Django machine learning based NPM package vulnerability checker project. This project checks whether an NPM package contains known security vulnerabilities by using OSV API and a machine learning model. Here I have opened my project in Visual Studio Code, and first we see the config. This is the configuration folder which contains the settings.py. It contains the project settings. urls.py manages URL routing. wsgi.py is used for deployment. Now this is the vulnerability scan. This is the main Django application. Here views.py receives user request. When the user submits a package name, it calls the machine learning inference module and finally sends the result to the HTML template. Forms.py is responsible for validating user input. User can either enter the package name only or package name with version. Templates contains the scan HTML. It is the front end. Data folder contains two important scripts. One is collected training data. It collects real vulnerability information from OSV API. It downloads vulnerability data of popular NPM packages. Then it extracts important features such as CVSS score, severity, reference count, alias count, publication date. Finally, it stores everything in vulnerability training data.csv. The second one is train-model.py. It trains the machine learning model. First, it loads the collected data set, then it performs data processing. After that, gradient boosting regressor predicts the vulnerability risk score. Random forest classifier predicts the severity level. Finally, the trained model are saved inside the email folder. email-inference.py. This file is responsible for vulnerability analysis. It first checks whether the package exists in the NPM registry. Then it queries the OSV API for known vulnerabilities. It filters only NPM related vulnerabilities. Next, it calculates the CVSS score. If the machine learning model is available, it combines the real CVSS score with the ML prediction to generate the final risk score. Finally, it returns the vulnerability details including risk score, severity, CVID, summary, publication date, etc. Now, manage.py. Manage.py is the main entry point of the Django project. It used to run the server and execute Django management command. Now, let's run the project.